It is my distinct honor and great pleasure to stand before you tonight at the celebration of my daughter's wedding. And I intend to celebrate and savor this moment. You are here tonight because somewhere along the way, you guys touched our lives in a very special way. And we love you for that. The bond between a father and a daughter is an amazing thing. And today, my heart is happy to see you, full of pride and joy, and I'm proud of the woman you became, and joyful that you came to know the warmth and happiness of true love.
I love your magnetic smile, your sense of humor, and your ability to make me cry from laughing so hard. Your loyalty and the fact that I can always count on you no matter what. Your family values. The way you carry yourself with such confidence. How you light up every room that you walk into. The twinkle in your eye before you're about to make a silly joke. The way that we can have an entire conversation with just our eyes. And most importantly, the way that you love me unconditionally.
As we grow a family, I promise to work together to be equal partners in life and to remember the amazing person I married.
Joaquin, be exalted like Abraham, be blessed like Isaac, multiply like Jacob, walking in peace and keeping the commandments of God's righteousness. Lana, be exalted like Sarah, exalt like Rebecca, and multiply like Rachel, as we rejoice in your husband fulfilling.
Although it is until death do us part, I know that we will never truly part because we are made for each other.
You are my best friend. You are my person. And you are my one true love.
Joaquin is an outstanding young man with a generous and kind soul. You are the special guy with a great character and integrity, intelligent and loving young man. I saw you and I saw your devotion to your family, and I am sure he's going to bring the same devotion to you and to your children. Your mother and I could not be any happier to welcome him to our family the same way, his family welcomed you into theirs.